Today is Wednesday. That means it's our day for our math exam. Yay, right? Okay, you need two things, please. You're going to need your ruler, and you will also need page 103 in your math book, okay? It looks like this on the back of the Gallinas, okay? And you're going to need your brain. If your brain is not warmed up, stop the tape and make sure it's awake, okay? Now, normally, I help you count or Pepe helps you count. We're not going to do that today. If you need that, you stop the tape and you do it. You let Profe Roberto or Profe Roberto or Profe Daniela, you let them do it today, okay? You take the turn and make sure your brain's awake so you can think well to do your test, okay? Okay, are you ready? What we're going to do is we're going to do it funny today. We're going to do it all mixed up. So I need you to take out your paper, right? Here's your paper. We need this side with the Gallinas, but we're going to start at the bottom. And we're going to go up this way, okay? We're going to do it kind of funny today. Okay, so let's start down here. You see it? Right here where it says Mrs. Brown took some homemade jam to her neighbors, okay? So listen carefully because you're going to do the math problem, okay? Listen very, very carefully. Are you listening? It says Mrs. Brown took some homemade jam to her neighbors. She took 3 jars of strawberry fresa and 4 jars of blackberry. How many jars did Mrs. Brown take all together? Okay, you listening? Okay, so ready? She went to the neighbors to give them a gift. She had 3 jars of fresa of strawberry and 4 jars of blackberry. How many jars did she have all together? Okay, so what you need to do, your paper looks like this. You need to make the number sentence all by yourself and make sure you fill in these little boxes to show the right signs, right? And then when you get your answer here, what do? You put it up also in that other box, okay? Okay, you got that? So, she had 3 jars of strawberry and 4 jars of blackberry. How many jars altogether? Okay, now, up above that are the butterflies. This one up here where the butterflies are. Okay, you ready? Okay, same thing. Ready? Here we go. Bill caught 4 butterflies, mariposas. 4 butterflies. But 2 flew away. So how many does he have? How many does he have now? He had 4, but 2 of them flew away. How many does he have now? So you need to make your number sentence. Okay, he had 4, 2 flew away. Make your number sentence. Make sure you put the right signs in here. And when you get your answer here, make sure you put it up here in this box here. He had 4 mariposas, 2 flew away. Okay? Okay, now, you ready for the next part? Woo! Okay. Some of you are still having problems with this. Let's do it. Okay, here we go. Let's go back here. Here we go. Okay, ready? A. Right here, right? Number 3, we're at letter A. You just write the answer, right? Okay, A. 9 take away 3 is what? 12 take away 3 is, this is B. This is B. 12 take away 3. C. 7 take away 3 is D. 11 take away 3 is E. 7 plus 3 is and F. 3 plus 8 is. Okay? Alrighty. Now for the fun part. Okay, remember we've had coins and they give us the names here. Okay, we have nickels, dimes, pennies. Okay, what I've done for you is we have nickels. Okay, nickels are 5 centavos, pennies are 3 centavos. But what I've done here is the first one right here. See where it says 3 nickels? I'm sorry, 2 nickels and 3 pennies. Up here, the nickels are 5. We have 10, 5, and 1, okay? These are your dimes, these are your nickels, these are your pennies, right? Dimes, nickels, pennies. Okay, so the first one says 2 nickels and 3 pennies, okay? The next one says 7 dimes and 7 pennies. The next one says 1 nickel, 2 pennies. The next one says 3 dimes, 9 pennies. We're on the green side, right? See what the green ones are? 3 dimes, 9 pennies over on the green side. The next one says 1 nickel, 7 pennies. The last one is 1 dime and 2 pennies. How many centavos? So what are you going to do over here? You're going to write how many centavos is each one, okay? So what you can do, you can stop your video to work on that one, okay? Okay, you can come, okay, ready? You stop the video for that and then work on that one, okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, boom, I'm back. Okay, up top, we have the gallinas, okay? On the gallinas, what do the directions say? Let's read them together. It says, count by what? Count by tens to find the missing numbers. Okay, so you're going to count. Each one of those gallinas has 10 egg, huevos, okay? Okay. Ooh, over on this side we have our 8 family, okay? So what are you going to do? What plus 4 makes 8? What plus 1 plus what? Okay, fill in those, okay? Right here, it says, look at this, it says count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, right? Count by twos. Okay, here you're going to take your ruler and measure. Make sure you use the right side of your ruler. Remember how many inches. Look on your ruler. Make sure it says the inches side so you measure it right. Okay? Let's see. Okay, now, here's down here. Ready? This is the thinking part. Is your brain on? Okay. Now remember, your ruler is 12 inches, right? How big is 1 inch? Right? Okay, now. Ready? So you've got your ruler here, right? Now it says, which one of these animals is really 10 inches high? This is a caracol, a snail. This is an ardilla, a squirrel. And this is a horse, right? Caracol, squirrel. We call this a snail. Snail, squirrel, or a horse. Now, look on your ruler to find 10 inches. Which one of those animals is really 10 inches? You figure out which one it is and draw a circle around it. Is the caracol that big, the ardilla, or the horse? Which one is really 10 inches? Okay. Then down here, okay, it says which is most likely to be 3 inches, okay? Look at your ruler, see what 3 inches is. Now, we have a Crayola, we have a dolphin, or a sweater. Okay, now, which one of those things is 3 inches? The Crayola, the dolphin, or the sweater? Okay, so you think there, and whatever one is 3 inches, you circle that one, okay? All right, so that's your test for today. You do a good job, and then you give it to your mommy to put back into your bolsa, okay? Alrighty, good job. Make sure you check and do all the problems. You don't skip any. Do a good job, okay?